Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, right back here is where I dry a lot of my materials out. This big 4-foot long spindle. I keep this fireboard back there, and here's some tulip poplar bark. Let's go ahead and do a standing hand drill, which I always do, but the fireboard will be on the ground this time. I'm going to reuse this divot. I'm going to shape the end of this spindle up where it'll fit down in there like it's supposed to. And I have to process up some tulip poplar bark. So let's get started into all of this heavy wind. All right. Let's see how much we got going here. Yeah, I'm gonna need more than that. Let me just, since this bark is being so hard to get off, you can process it up with that bark on there. It just takes more work. Let's try that right there. The end needs to be straightened up. Well, thinned out. Big knot right there. Let's go ahead and first take all this outer bark off of there. Another windy day today. You hear me say that about every single video. And I got a knot right here. I'm going to chamfer it really well, so it'll stay down inside that divot. The issue with such a long spindle is the flex. You know, you have to bear down a certain amount, but if it's flexing, that actually adds a extra level of difficulty. So ain't nothing to but to give it a try, right? Right. It's going to take a long time because I don't get to bear down as hard as I want to. So let's just keep at it. Keep working with it and see if we can get enough friction to ignite an ember. I smell it, but I don't see any smoke. I see smoke now. we got an ember. There we go. We got flames. Wow. That was pretty interesting. It's been years and years and years since I've done a stand-up hand drill with the fireboard on the ground. Worked out good in spite of all this wind. All right, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll catch you on the next one.